Hi students, welcome to the class Coordinate Geometry. Today we can discuss the distance formula. Let's see the question. Find the value of A for which point A of A by 3, 2 is the midpoint of line segment joining the points B minus 5, 4 and C minus 1, 0. And the second question, find the perimeter of a triangle with the vertices 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 0. Let's see one by one. The first question, we have to find the value of A. A is the midpoint of the line segment. So here the B and other end, C the coordinate of B, that is minus 5, 4, and coordinate of C is minus 1, 0, and midpoint A, the coordinates A by 3, 2. Now the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining the points x1, y1, here x1, y1, x2, y2, x2, y2, are x is equals to, here A by 3, x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. It means x1 is minus 5 and x2 is minus 1. Okay, x1 plus x2 by 2, and the value of y, which is equals to, here y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. It means 4 plus 0 by 2. Let's look. Here given midpoint is A by 3 and x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. So we know x1, that is x1 is minus 5 and x2 as minus 1. So we are substituting the values here, minus 5 plus minus 1 by 2. This A by 3 equals minus 6 by 2. So minus 2 and minus 6 we can cancel, we get a minus 3. So we are getting A is equals to 3 into minus 3, that is A is equals to 9. So this way we can find out the value of A. Now we can move to the second question. Find the perimeter of a triangle which vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0. So the vertices A 0, 4, B 0, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0. So let's write here the vertices A 0, 4 and B 0, 0, C 3, 0. We have to find perimeter. So I mean length of AB, length of BC and length of AC we have to find. Then we should add how to find length of AB. We have a distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So we are going finding the AB here. For getting AB, so AB here, x1 will be 0 and y1 4, x2 0 and y2 0. So we have to substitute x2 minus x1. So x2 is here 0 minus 0 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. So y2 is here 0 minus 4 the whole square. So now we're getting 0 minus 0 is 0, the whole square 0, and minus 4 the whole square will be 16. So we are getting 0 plus 16 is 16. So square root of 16 is 4. Now we have to find length of a BC. So when you're getting BC, so this will be x1, y1, x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2, same formula. Then up here, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 0, here 3 minus 0, the whole square, plus 0 minus 0, the whole square. So we're getting 3 minus 0 is 3, square of 3 is 9. So 9 plus 0 is 9, the square root of 9 is 3. Now we got here 4 units here and here 3 units. Now we have to find that third side. Third side is CA or AC. So here also CA, starting from CA, so x1, y1, x2, y2. So substituted as 0 minus 3 the whole square plus 4 minus 0 the whole square is equal. That is 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25, square root of 25 is 5. So 5 units. Now we have to find perimeter. So perimeter will be sum of all sides. Here 3 sides are there. First side 4, second side 3, and third is 5. We should add it. So we're getting 12. So perimeter of this triangle is 12. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press like button. Thank you.